often asked as a hot topic, what happens to my ERISA disability insurance or plan benefits if I get fired? Well, it depends. The answer starts with your policy or plan. What does the policy or plan say about termination of employment? Now, most of the time, a termination of employment will have no impact on the payment of your disability benefits. But let's take a little different twist or approach to this. What does matter is that you continue to prove that you're disabled as that term is defined in your policy or plan, and that you continue to get medical treatment by a physician that's willing to fill out the paperwork. I think the reality is that being fired when you're on claim has no impact on your disability benefits, but not getting appropriate and regular medical treatment or not having a physician complete the paperwork will kill your case every day. Now, I think that potentially can be hard if you're fired and you lose your insurance coverage. So before you stop work and apply for benefits, I think you should be thinking ahead, because at some point in time, you're going to lose your job. Either you're going to be terminated by the carrier because they no longer have a position, or your FMLA has run out, and you're going to lose coverage unless you can afford to pay the COBRA coverage. So before you stop work and apply for benefits, I think you need to be looking at what's the cost of the COBRA coverage conversion going to be? Is there other alternative coverage in the health market? Or can you get on your spouse or partner's insurance? Now, there's no doubt that it's going to be expensive, but you need treatment and you need that as proof of your disability. I think the time to get your questions answered about filing a disability insurance claim is before you stop work and apply for your benefits. Now, I think another twist on this is the situation where you are working while you are disabled and then you get fired or you're laid off. That can be a disaster for you. Why can it be a disaster? Because if you are working while you're disabled but not losing any wages, the disability carrier is going to say, we don't owe you any benefits. You weren't disabled under the terms of the policy. And of course, once you're fired, you immediately lose your disability insurance coverage. And then you find that you're no longer insurable based on your medical condition. So if you sniff, if there's something in the wind, or you just get a sense that you're going to be fired and you're working while disabled, or you just haven't gotten around to applying for disability, it's time to pull the plug, get your doctor to take you out of work and file your disability claim before you get terminated.